Hi, myself Dr. Muhammad Ahmad. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you a short trick for finding integral of 1 by quadratic. That is, if the given integrand is of the form 1 by quadratic, 1 by some quadratic expression is given, then how to find the integration of that integrand. That is what I am going to discuss in this video. That is, if the question is integral 1 by x square plus 2x plus 3, something like this, 1 upon some quadratic is given, then how to evaluate the integral. So we already know that the integral of 1 by x square plus a square is given by 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. For example, suppose the given integral is integral 1 upon x square plus 4 dx is there, then by using this formula the value of this integral will be 1 by 2, because we can write here 2 square, that is a square, in place of a square we can write 2 square, and we will get 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2, right. So if we want to solve this integral by using this formula, then we have to write here a perfect square. We have to make this as some x plus 1 whole square, then whatever is remaining that should be written, right. We have to compensate and apply this formula. That is the conventional way. But because here I have considered a simple quadratic, so converting this into a perfect square is easy. But I am going to show you in the next question. If I consider a tough quadratic, then it is not easy to convert that into perfect square. So for this we are having a small trick that I am going to discuss. Suppose in general the given integral is of this form, 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Integrand is 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. If this form is given, then what we have to do here, we have to check 4ac minus b square. Whether it is positive or not, right. If it is positive, if 4ac minus b square is positive, see it is the reverse of discriminant. You know that b square minus 4ac, right, it is the reverse, it is opposite sign, minus 4ac minus b square. If it is positive, then the value of this integral is given by 1 upon square root of 4ac minus b square tan inverse, sorry, here 2 upon square root of 4ac minus b square and tan inverse of derivative of ax square plus bx plus c, derivative of this, and in the denominator again square root of 4ac minus b square, right. This is what the trick that I am going to show you. If the integrand is of the form integral 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx, we have to check 4ac minus b square. If it is greater than 0, if 4ac minus b square is greater than 0, then the value of this integral will be 2 upon square root of 4ac minus b square tan inverse of ax square plus bx plus c, the quadratic, its derivative, and in the denominator again square root of 4ac minus b square. Now you consider this problem. Here the values of a, b and c are, a is 1, b is 2 and c is 3. So let us find 4ac minus b square. So here 4ac minus b square is nothing but 4 into a is 1 and c is 3 minus b square is 2 square. So simplify this, 12 minus 4, which is 8, right. So this is greater than 0. So we got 4ac minus b square is greater than 0. Then directly we can write the value of this integral as 2 by, according to this formula, the value of this integral is 2 by square root of 4ac minus b square. 4ac minus b square is 8 into tan inverse of derivative of the quadratic. See, quadratic is x square plus 2x plus 3. Derivative of that will be 2x plus 2, right. And in the denominator square root of 4ac minus b square is 8. So just simplify this, you will get the answer. Simplify this, 2 by root 8 can be taken out. So root 8 into root 8 is 8, and in the numerator 2 can be taken out. So in the numerator we will get here 4 by 8 tan inverse of x plus 1, right. So finally it will be 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 1. So this is the required answer. So this is the trick, right. We will see one more problem in which the quadratic will be a bit difficult. Okay, the second question is integral 1 upon 5x square plus 2x plus 2. If this is the given integrand, then what we have to do? First we have to check 4ac minus b square. So let us check 4ac minus b square, which is 4 into a is 5 and c is 2 minus b square is 2 square. So simplify this, we will get 40 here minus 4 means 36, which is greater than 0. So 4ac minus b square is greater than 0. Then what we have to do, if 4ac minus b square is greater than 0, the solution, the value of this integral will be 2 upon square root of 4ac minus b square. 4ac minus b square here is 36 and tan inverse of the derivative of quadratic. So derivative 5x square derivative is 10x plus 2x derivative is 2. This is divided by square root of 4ac minus b square is 36, right. You just simplify this, you will get the required answer. So 2 by what we will get here, a square root of 36, square root of 36 is nothing but 36 only, and in the numerator tan inverse of, here what can be taken out, 2 can be taken out. So 2 into 5x plus 2, 5x plus 1. So that 2 can be taken out, 4 by 36 is nothing but 1 by 9 tan inverse of 5x plus 1. This is the required value of given integral. So if you want to solve this in the conventional way, first we have to make here, first we have to take 5 common, then we have to write x plus something whole square, then whatever remaining is there, that should be compensated, and we have to use the formula 1 upon x square plus a square, integral of 1 upon x square plus a square, which is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So if you don't want to use this and if you want to apply this small trick, first we have to check 4ac minus b square for whatever the integrands. If this is true, 4ac minus b square is greater than 0, then value of this integral will be 2 upon square root of 4ac minus b square tan inverse of ax square plus bx plus c derivative of that, right. And here in the denominator square root of 4ac minus b square. For this example, what we have done, we have evaluated 4ac minus b square, which is 36, right, which is greater than 0. Then according to this rule or this trick, the value of this integral will be 2 upon square root of 4ac minus b square, which is 36, and tan inverse of derivative of the quadratic, which is 10x plus 2, and in the denominator square root of 36. Now you can take the square root of 36 outside, it will be 2 by 36 tan inverse of, here 2 can be taken out. So if I take 2, then 5x plus 1 will remain. This 2 can be taken out, it will become 4 by 36 is there. So 4 by 36 is 1 by 9 tan inverse of 5x plus 1. Hope you have understood this trick and it will be useful for you. Thank you.